Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Doorway YouTube channel. This is part 3 of Facebook Business Manager, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your digital assets like your logo, images, videos, etc. in your Facebook Business Manager or Ads Manager. So it's super simple. So let's get started. So if you go to your Business Manager asset menu icon over here, under assets you will find images, store locations and videos. This is all of these three. I don't know why they are separated, but they will show up together in when I click on images or videos or stores. So it's going to load the page up. So as you can see, you have images, stores and videos. These three are clubbed together. So you can see all of these images that I've uploaded, and I already have those, right? It shows the date, it shows the size, name. You can name it when you save it on your folder or desktop, and these are useful when you create your ads, by the name. Similar case with videos. You will have the videos already. Just drag and drop mechanism. Basically it's very simple. If I click on upload images, you can upload more than one image. You just drag it and drop it over here, and or you can select image from any folder that you have on your desktop. So in the videos it shows you the duration. Another thing that you can do is in both images and videos you can label these. For example, if I want to label, let's say, these two videos, for example this and this, I can create an add label, and I'm going to name them B2B video. I'm going to create a new business label, save them, okay, uncheck these, come over here and type B2B, and you will find these two videos. You see that? I'm going to click on all videos. So if you click over here, you will find whatever name you have given, you will find the labels over here. Same case with images. I can just click these two and add label. The process is the same, and you can also delete the images that you don't want, or upload new ones, right? So it's super simple, very easy. Stores is another thing. If you have a physical store, then you might want to click over here and then add whatever stores you have. Especially with retail, you might have multiple stores. So all you need to do is get started, choose the main page, and then select the locations, and create ads for those stores. There's ad objective which is for stores. This is something which I think I showed you in my first video when I walked you through the Facebook Ads Manager store traffic. This is the one, and you can use this one to target people who are nearby your store with whatever radius you want, 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers, for example. So it's super simple. This is where all your assets can be added under the asset section: the images, the store location and the videos, so that you don't have to add manually one by one. You can just club all of those and add them at one go. So I hope this video was useful for you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and bye for now.